Model, 2009 Renault Trafic SL27dCi 1159-seater. Body, red, minibus. Mileage, 141728. MOT, the 21st of December 2024. Engine, 1996 cc JLBHBH 115 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Diff to change gears, possible linkage issue. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.